Okay, so let's try another program. Okay, we have here, let's say int times is equal to 0. Then we have car choice, then do, and we have here the while, cout, enter q to quit, any other character to continue. Okay, then next cin we have here the choice, then next let's check our choice if choice is equal to q, then cout let's say input stopped, the next else. Okay, let's move our print message. Okay, next while choice is not equal to q, okay, then in our function, so we have here times plus plus, so we will increment our variable times, then cout this function called how many times. Okay, so we have the times variable, then the word times. Okay, backslash n for new line, or the same with endl. Okay, so let's review our program. Okay, so let's try, compile, execute. So we have here an error, so unexpected semicolon, so we do not have semicolon here, then execute, compile. So it says here that times was not declared in this scope, so meaning the times here it is called a or declared as let's try. This is declared as local variable. Okay, so enter choice is declared as local variables, and also with the times is equal to 0 is declared as local variable. So the scope of local variable is only inside the main function from here, from the start of the program of the function of the main function up to here. So meaning the times variable is accessible only within main program or main function. So there is an error because in our user-defined function, times is not declared. So what do we do? So we have here, we will move it outside the main function. So meaning our times now, variable times, is now declared as global variable. Okay, so meaning if it is global variable, times is accessible inside main, and times also is accessible inside print message. Okay, so let's try. Execute, compile and run. So enter Q to quit, any other character to continue. For example, W, U. Okay, so how about Q? Okay, still take note that it is take note that small letter q, based on our expression, it only satisfies the expression if it is a big letter q. So for example, if you will input big letter q, so the program will stop. So input stop. So how about if we will include a small letter q? So all we have to do is end, logical end, then we have the choice not equal to small letter q. Okay, so next, execute and run, or execute, compile and run. So let's try other character beside from q, then this time we try the small letter q. So it recognize the small letter q to stop the program. So this function called 5 times. Oh, it's an error because we did not include the choice here. Okay, if choice choice is OR. Okay, so compile and run. So try again. Small letter Q. Okay, so input stop. Okay, so there is a difference between the OR, logical OR here, and the logical AND. Okay, so that's it.